So I'm down here right now. This is the one that if you look at the color of that one, how it turned bluish compared to all the other ones. Remember we just did the mains, I mean the rods. Hear that? So basically that's what there is. Down right there, when you spin it back and forth, look. Now when you put it to the bottom dead center, I guess because of the weight or something, you don't hear it. But when you get to this position, that when you hear it. So basically, that same one, that one right there, and I just did it. It's giving issues again. The guy says that we have to replace the whole connecting rod because believe it or not, there's something there bad. But when I put it back, it didn't have that problem. But I guess somewhere in the connecting rod it has that problem. That's the only one making noise. All the other ones don't. So he says to replace that connecting rod. Time to take out the head. I wish I could have done it through here, but to do it through here, we have to take out the clutch and the timing plate. It's basically the whole engine. But we could try to do another rod on it, the Male one, and leave it like that. But I already ordered the connecting rod. So we have to disassemble, excuse me, we have to disassemble the head. Man. And then it's still leaking oil like crazy. I don't know from where. I'm gonna have to see if it's from the drain, if it's from the feeding. Wow. Wow, wow, wow,